Welcome back. This song is a nice song to relax to just take a moment to calm down, and maybe before nap time you can listen and start calming down your body. If you have a scarf, you can use it to wave in the air, to throw it up and down, to cuddle with it, to do all kinds of things. This song is called Feed the Birds. It was said to be Walt Disney's favorite song, so that's really neat too, and has a wonderful message, and I hope you will enjoy, and you can relax and just sway if you feel like it. Use a scarf, you can wave it in the air like the birds flying. Let's do it. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls. Come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Now, my friends in the comments, I'll put the answer in the info box so you can double check. But I'm curious, do my friends know what tuppence, what a tuppence is, or what tuppences are? It kind of sounds silly when you say it, but tuppence. Does anyone know? If you know, leave it in the comments below. Maybe my Brits out there will especially know. I don't know if all my Americans will know. We'll see, but leave it in the comments below what you think a tuppence is. Yay! Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a lovely, peaceful afternoon. And I think if you would like to donate to some lovely charities, I think that would be an awesome thing to do too. I know all of us don't have a lot to give at the moment, but as the bird lady says, tuppence a bag. So as small as a tuppence can go towards making a creature or someone's life better. So I'll get off my soapbox right now. But if you feel like donating to a charity, I think the Bird Woman and Mary Poppins would be proud of you. Thank you for joining us on this jolly holiday with Mary Poppins. We had such a lovely time, did we not?
Yeah, I just want to take a nap now.
Oh, I know. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We got a lot of things you can comment on.
Feed the me.
Oh, I don't even know. Just go
I'm a
for
bird.
it. And we will see you all
Poppins,
next time.
Poppins, feed me.